and welcome to Doodly. Doodly is a fun and exciting desktop software that allows you to create engaging whiteboard or blackboard style videos that move your viewers to take action. Doodly uses drag and drop technology, making the Doodle video creation process extremely easy. No technical skills are needed. You'll also be happy to hear that Doodly is both PC and Mac compatible and automatically stores any videos you create on the cloud, so you can easily access them from anywhere. Lastly, as improvements are made to Doodly, which happen regularly, you will be notified from within the software that an update is available. Updating to the newest version is as easy as clicking on the update button appearing inside the notification itself. If no update messages appear while you're running Doodly, you can rest assured you have the newest version. Stay tuned, because in later videos we will explain how to get the most out of Doodly. Thanks for watching.